Hey guys, just a quick tutorial for pausing in Unreal, as it seems there's a lot of outdated content online at the moment for this. So you can do this anywhere. You can do it in the level blueprint, your character blueprint, or the controller, wherever you want. I'm gonna do it here, actually in my controller here. So essentially, this is what we want. We just want to have a key that you want to be pressed, a flip-flop node, and then have the set pause game pause to true on A and set paused to untrue on B. But what's happening is a lot of people are getting the issue where it will pause the first time around, but when you're doing it again, it's still paused. So essentially, what you want to do is on the input key itself, you want to click this little button here where it says execute when paused. So what this does is it just allows this command here to actually be run properly. Don't really know why this is an issue in the first place, but yeah, it is. So hopefully you guys like this quick tutorial. Just give me a like if you found it helpful, and let me know if there's anything else I can help out with.